Hi, in this video I'll show you how to do a palm spin. A precursor to learning the above the head variation of the palm spin is a Z-spin. I'll link the tutorial I have on that move below. When your arm is directly above you, open your hand as you twist your wrist 180 degrees to create a platform for the hoop to spin on. Here's a view from the back. Again, as you open your hand, you're creating a flat surface for the hula hoop to rotate on when your arm is fully extended above your head. You'll then close your fingers to catch the hoop after a full rotation, or rotation and a half, or as many rotations as you can manage like I did here. Ooh! To do a palm spin directly in front of you or beside you, the twist in your wrist will give the hoop momentum to continue spinning as you release your grip of the hoop. You open your hand as you turn your wrist. I tend to release the hoop while my thumb is pointed up or transitioning from up to down, then catch with my thumb pointing down. And that's how you do a palm spin with the hoop in your right hand. And since you've tried it with your right hand, you know you gotta try it with your left hand. Move through a few Z-spins with the hula hoop in your left hand to understand the motion of the wrist twist. Release your grip as you twist your left wrist when your arm is extended to allow the hoop to spin on your palm. Your palm becomes a platform for the hula hoop to rotate on. After a rotation or a few rotations, clasp your hand closed around the hoop and continue the original arm motion around your body. Here's a view from the back. Try it a few times to see how it feels. To do this move when the hoop is in front of you or to the side of you, you'll use momentum from twisting the hoop in your left hand and release your fingers as you twist your wrist to allow the hoop to fully rotate on your palm. I release the hoop when my thumb is pointed to the sky and catch the hoop when my thumb is pointed towards the earth. And that's the palm spin. Try the different types of palm spins in both your right and left hands. Remember the two components, a flat surface for the hoop to spin on, and the twisting of the wrist to give the hoop momentum to spin. Let's now go over a few transitions for this move. The first is an above the head palm spin into a reverse fold escalator, or fold reverse escalator, I don't really know the right name. Oh well. I have a tutorial on this move that I'll link below. The next is to move your arm around your body while your palm is open and the hoop is rotating on it. I cannot remember where I saw a tutorial that had a name for this move, but I think it looks pretty cool whenever I can do it. So basically never with my left hand, but only with my right hand. Another transition is to do a palm spin off the side and move the hoop back into an isolation. I don't think I'm doing a true horizontal cat-eye move to get this hoop back to the isolation in front of me, but perhaps it has a little elements that are similar to that move. And oh wow, look, a fourth transition for y'all. Here's one I love to do, the anti-spin flower with a palm spin off to the side. Can you tell I love palm spins? Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please like the video if you found this tutorial to be helpful, and check out my hula hoop tutorial playlist for more where this came from. Bye.